Big John, Big John.
Alright, well, I went to download the footage for this video. GoPro messed up again. I don't know, I had probably 45 minutes I had it running. I changed out the headgear in my auto darkening helmet. I have an older helmet that's not auto darkening, and that headgear was still good. The adjuster knob on the back wouldn't tighten up on the new one, so I switched them out. Had to do a little bit of creative engineering, a little rednecking to it to make it work. And then I realigned them parts on there and got some good heavy tack welds on them. And yeah, it was all. The camera was sitting there recording, so I don't know if welding around it maybe knocks it out. I don't know. The footage is on. I know I turned it on. So anyway, here's what's left. Thanks for watching, everybody. Leave me a comment if you have trouble with your GoPros. Alright, well, the camera died at some point. I'm not sure when, but what I was worried about is true. This part right in here, I'll set you right here so you can watch. When I curl it back all the way, and I've got the thumb retracted all the way, and when I curl it back, it gets. Yeah, so we're definitely gonna have to trim that off. I was hoping I didn't have to do that, but we will. Now if I can get her back up on the bench. But fitment wise, it's good. So yeah, so we can go ahead and weld it. We just gotta trim this. We're gonna have to nip this off through here. Plasma cutter. Yep, plasma cutter. Well, it's about time for me to go in. Sorry I lost that footage. Like I said, I don't know. I'll have to look at it and see when she shut down. But, yeah, fitment wise, it fits on there. My spacing's good. Not real impressed with this hole, though. It's kind of sloppy. Kind of big. But here's what it is. Maybe I'll get some bushings made. Slide in there, take up the extra space. That'll make it easier to hook up and unhook. So yeah, I think I'm going to call her quits for tonight. Welds don't look too awful bad. Been a long time since I've done any welding. So we'll get her tipped up. I know that's cheating. Some people will say that's cheating, but I'll get her tipped up so I can get right down in there and burn her in there good. So yeah, that's going to be it for tonight. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.